We've all been there. A dirty table in a cafe, a missing screw, an unwanted drip of paint from a can. Now you can eliminate those hazards with WeatherTech's FlexTray. Let's take a closer look. FlexTray offers you a portable, clean surface where you can place and protect your stuff from germs and dirt. From painters to puzzle masters and DIYers, FlexTray is also the perfect tool for containing and organizing smaller parts and pieces from any project. FlexTray features a raised outer lip to contain spills and splashes, and these ridges help keep smaller, finicky parts and pieces from vanishing mysteriously. The silicone material makes it very lightweight and super portable too. Just grab these side tabs, fold it up, and take it with you in the optional zippered storage pouch. FlexTray is proudly made in the USA and can be used as a flat iron mat, a craft mat, a tool mat to keep those nuts and bolts contained, or just about any other use you can think of. So pick up a FlexTray for every member of your family. They're sure to find a great way to use it.